Now again is a very important result, relation between radian and degree. Relation between radian and degree, that is most important result. So we can take a diagram. Let COR be a circle in which O be the center, R be the radius. That is the OA is equals to the radius. Cut an arc AB whose length equals to the radius of circle. I repeat again, cut an arc AB whose length is equals to the radius of circle. So the arc AB subtend an angle at the center is 1 radian. By the previous definition, we can explain it. If the length of arc equals to the radius of circle, so the arc subtend an angle at the center is 1 radian. That is a 1 radian. Cut another arc AC whose length is a semicircle. Cut another arc AC, repeat again, cut another arc AC whose length is a length of semicircle. So that arc AC subtend an angle at the center is 2 right angle. That is a 2 right angle. That arc AC subtend an angle at the center O is 2 right angle. So we have, repeat again, O is the radius, AB is the arc, length equals to the radius of circle. So the arc AB subtend an angle at the center 1 radian. Cut another arc AC, length is the length of semicircle. So AC subtend an angle at the center is 2 right angle. By the previous definition, we know that the ratio of the angles, subtended by an arc at the center are proportional. So the angle AOB upon angle AOC, angle AOB subtended by an arc AB, angle AOC subtended by an arc AC. So the ratio of the angles are proportional to the length of corresponding arc. So the angle AOB is what? 1 radian in definition defined in a diagram. Angle AOC is a 2 right angle, that defined in a diagram, 2 right angle. Length of AB is equals to the length of arc, radius is R, and the length of AC is a length of semicircle. That the length of semicircle is pi r. How can you define it? The length of semicircle is circumference of circle 2 pi r, and their half is 2 to cancel, we get pi r. That is a pi r. Now again, we have 2 right angle equals to pi upon r into 1 radian. Taking the cross multiplication, 1 right angle multiply by here, that is pi r upon r into 1 right angle equals to the 2 right angle. That r and that r cancel, we get pi into 1 radian, pi into 1 whole radian, pi into 1 is pi. So we get 2 right angle is 2 into 1 right angle. We know that 1 right angle is 90 degree, 2 into 90 degree is 180 degree. So the 180 degree equals to the pi radian. That is an important result. In a trigonometry, we get the result of pi radian is 180 degree. And in a mensuration, we know that the value of pi is called 22 by 7, either 3.14. That kind of constant are known as an arbitrary constant because it can change their meaning into the chapters. In trigonometry, we can get the pi is equals to 180 degree, but in mensuration, we get the value of pi is 22 by 7, 3.14. That kind of constant known as arbitrary constant change their meaning into the chapters. Trigonometry 180 degree, mensuration 22 by 7. So we get a result. Again, I can repeat again. We get AOB upon AOC, AB upon AC. AB is 1 radian, AOC is 2 right angle, and that will be the length R, that will be the length pi r cancel. Pi into 1 radian equals to 2 right angle. So we get pi into 1 whole radian, pi into 1 is pi, and radian sine of radian is C. 2 into 2 right angle, 2 into 1 right angle, 2 into 1 right angle 90 degree, 2 into 90 180 degree. Get the result pi is equals to 180 degree.